not soccer players.
We are not basketball players.
We're not astronauts.
I'm definitely not a mailman.
Me, not a hairstylist.
That's true. Definitely not an animal.
Not electricians.
We're definitely not YouTubers, that's for sure.
But we are plumbers.
So please, like, comment,
and subscribe.
Hey, what's going on? What's up with the Waverly job?
Only the first house had the sidewalk vault. The second house, no issue, standardized sidewalk, dug down dirt, installed the pipe. It was really straightforward.
So, are we going to be set to do restoration?
Yeah, so spoke with contractor this morning. We're actually a full day ahead of schedule.
Right.
So we're going to finish on Monday instead of Tuesday. He's thrilled. Their project's continuing to stay on schedule. We ducked a potential huge problem, and he's happy about it.
Last week, the guys were working on the first of 2 new construction houses. If you haven't seen that video yet, go ahead and catch it right here. Today, we're going to talk to the guys about any new challenge that might have come up, even if they are working on a house that's right next door. All right, let's get into it. You just told me an interesting thing a second ago that you're talking about, think about leaving.
Yeah.
Mom, I don't know where you think you're going. You're stuck here. You're stuck here with me. You're stuck here co-hosting these videos with me.
We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens.
All right. You know what? But for now, let's get back to the job site.
Okay.
All right. Will you just tell us what we've seen so far, what we've done so far today?
Okay. Today we already installed the sewer pipe.
All right.
The sewer service from the spur all the way to the building, the foundation wall. First house, we had a problem. Not really a problem, but we ran into some unforeseen obstacles that we had to work around.
So you would say you had more problems
Yeah,
the first time around than the second time. This time's been like easy breezy.
Yeah.
So, yeah, thank you very much. Thank you for the update.
Problem. Anytime.
Anytime for real?
Until I leave.
What's that? Rambo! ¿Cómo está? Está pequeño. No, en la foto está pequeño. Because it's so big, it's wide. Oh, fuertísimo. Hoping that you all enjoyed that little impromptu break. The guys were not expecting to have to come back again today to finish piping. Unfortunately, they did. So we're gonna catch up back with them. We're gonna see where they are on the job site, and we're gonna finish piping out this place. All right, let's go. What's that like working on new construction with all these other crews?
Well, you have to work with each other. It's definitely slow you down a little bit, but you have to make, you have to make a little sacrifice,
Oh, that's Rhea. Come on. Oh, now you don't want to fight? Do it. So the guys are just now finishing up. They've got the sprinkler line in, they've got their water main in, and they're waiting for the dirt to come for the backfill. So I thought it'd be a good time to just bring them a nice surprise. Right, let's go. Can I just get the milk on the side and sugar on the side? And then let me do, thanks y'all, have a good one. Take this coffee. You have to, before I give it to you, you have to say I'm a better host than Mike.
No.
Who do you like better, me or Mike?
You.
Okay, exactly.
Ya to tu mamá no vive agua. The coffee. And you putting me in camera for one coffee? You crazy?
I also have bagels.
Thank you, sir.
So who do you like better, me or Mike Kane?
You, definitely.
Okay, good. That's all that matters.
Hey, no, I want to see you. Maybe.
Are you finally happy?
Yeah, I'm very happy.
Good.
Yeah, I'm happy. I got a coffee free. I see my friend eat bagel. Look.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you.
Oh, look at him. He's finally happy. He's finally
Very
smiling.
happy.
Very hot. Thank you, both.
Oh, I'm sorry. The next time I bring coffee, I've been told that I should have Blue Mountain. So
Straight out of the hills of
I'm gonna go head out and look for it. And as soon as I find it, I'm gonna drink it without Stanley.
straight out of the hills of Jamaica.
Best coffee in the world.
Blue Mountain Coffee from Jamaica.
They will not be happy until I buy them Jamaican coffee. So unfortunately, I have to go look for it now. All right. Peace.
Yeah.